Zombie Nation? Hope you guys are all doing well. Welcome to Rawgenerate. What is going on, Bee Nation? So we are going to get some fruits, veggies, and we're going to start raw-generating the human body. And I'm super excited about this, super excited to share. I want to try to record every day, even if it's just a small clip of what I'm eating. And to kick it off, I got some grape juice. We got the sun behind us, and it's gonna be a beautiful day. So you guys, I just finished picking up a whole bunch of groceries, lots of raw fruits and vegetables, leafy greens, and I'm going to show you what I got. But I first want to talk about why I'm going completely raw, 100% raw. And if you've been following me, you know that I have healed myself from ovarian cysts, and I've had a number of health issues. And if you are just tuning in, since I was born, I have had very weak kidneys, adrenal glands, my skin, and from there it led to acne, ovarian cysts, skin cancer, abnormal cervical cells, and my health just continued to decline. And I went through different specialists, got referred to different doctors. I went through lots of different medications, tetracycline, antibiotics, and was cut, lots of moles removed. And a lot of you guys maybe went through similar experiences, or even went through the chemo and the radiation. And what I've come to realize is, through my experience, is it was never getting to the root of the problem, and I had always something that kept coming up, and my health just kept getting worse and worse. So what I've come to realize is that the human body is very intelligent, and it can actually heal just by providing it with the right fuel, the right food. And this is the raw living food where the live enzymes are. So I'm looking at healing and regenerating the body naturally through what I consume every day. Food is really important. We're also going to talk about what you bring in your mind, who you're hanging around, and the stress in your life, as well as how much oxygen you're getting in. Those are all really important in regenerating, healing the body from different health issues like cancer, abnormal cervical cells, any type of abnormal cancer cells. And we're talking about bringing in lots of hydration and lots of living food. So this is what I'm going to be rolling out with. If you guys want to join in on the ride, that's awesome. I'm going to be trying to uploading. We'll try to upload almost every day, or maybe a second day. I might have to do just little clips here and there of what I'm eating. I want to show you guys what I'm doing and how I'm going to be healing the body, how I'm going to be regenerating the body. So I hope you stay tuned, and let's get into the food. Okay, you guys, here is a top view of all the beautiful raw living food. And let's get into it. So I want to start back here. I got some berries, some strawberries and raspberries. I already have a lot of berries in my freezer, so I didn't need too many of those. Those are always good for doing smoothies or some berry bowls. Over here I got some spinach. We got some kale charred spinach, and then I have some mixed greens here. I got that on sale, so you can always look for deals in your stores. And kelp noodles. I'm really actually enjoying these kelp noodles with some peppers. I also got these sun-dried tomato wraps. These are raw, so I've been enjoying those with some avocados and some peppers. We got some kale here, some beets back there. I'm gonna be doing some beet juice, celery juice. We got that's zucchini, pineapple, and these tomatoes. I just love making sauces with them, as well as dates are always really good, especially when you combine them with the bananas. They're an excellent source of protein. as well as those hemp hearts back there, you guys. And just a whole bunch of grapes. You guys know I freaking love grapes. I could eat them all day. So we got some apples and then just a whole bunch of oranges. I love making fresh orange juice. It's nothing like freshly squeezed orange juice. Sometimes what I'll do, you guys, is I'll combine the oranges with the apples, and it's a nice apple orange juice. You guys got to try that. Got some grapefruit right here. These were on sale as well. And then we got some avocados. These, you know, you guys can put them in anything really. They're so good. Lemons for that lemon water in the morning. And yeah, this will conclude everything I got. And what I wanted to say is that I know for some people, they are, you know, they're curious about the price and the cost. And what I like to say is your health is your greatest wealth. And how I'm doing this, you guys, is so the money that I'd be spending, say, on meat or processed food or junk food, I'm putting that towards fruits and vegetables and nuts and leafy greens. And that's how I'm, you know, able to put my money towards this. But remember that your health is your greatest wealth, and that if, you know, retirement plans and savings, they don't matter. And I've lost a close friend to colon cancer, and they went the conventional route, which is the chemo radiation. And I'm doing these types of videos for them because I've healed myself from ovarian cysts, and I'm still gonna dig deeper with the raw living food, but I see that it's actually working, and that's phenomenal. And the close friend that passed away, they never had a chance to retire, and they were so young. So don't mean to kind of you know, shoot that out there, but I just want to say that this is why I'm out here, and this is why I'm sharing this, and it's to help you. And I'm trying to share this information far and wide because I see that it's helped me, and maybe it'll help you too if you are trying to heal your body from a number of health issues. So join me on Rawgenerate. I'm going to be just rolling out with various videos. We're going to be going fully raw, and we'll see how much healing we can do in regeneration. I'll be sharing mostly everything. So thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you liked this video. Let me know, and we'll do another video on food haul and the price. So stay tuned for that. And as always, be alkaline, be yourself, and be getting in some raw food today. Hope you guys have a great day, and take care of yourselves. Cheers.